Want a brother or you want a sister? You want a brother? Good morning. Hey, you slept a long time today. You slept long this morning. Hi. Hello.
I'm sleepy.
You're sleeping? Okay, it's time to get up and go have breakfast. Come, let's go have tea. Come on, let's go. Come on.
How
about the water? Okay. Say good morning, Faves.
Good morning, please.
I am just waking up.
I'm sleeping.
Alright, come. Let's go. Okay. Sleep if you want to sleep. Come. You get up. Two car. Baby.
Oh no. The car. A vroom vroom.
Car go vroom vroom.
Oh no.
Come, let's go have breakfast.
Mama.
Wow, you didn't peep yourself, bravo. Yes.
Two car.
Yeah, two car. What color are the cars?
Blue. Red.
Very good. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. I am here making some breakfast. Of course, I'm making plantains and eggs. You know it's going to be the plantain or eggs or toast. So plantain and eggs is gonna be this morning. I just got all fresh from working out. Workout was lit this morning. It was everything. I'll insert a little clip to show you guys the craziness that I was up to this morning. Workout was super fun. I had so much fun working out. And I'm making breakfast right now so I can get on with my day. Baby's off to work. I have a few stuff that I need to get done before I head out. So I am making my morning as productive as can possibly be. But yeah, plantain is on its way. And Tyler is around here making noise somewhere. Hey! Yeah, you have more toast remain. Sit and eat your toast, Mama. Ah, finish, bravo. Good job. Thank you.
Huggy.
Wait, Mama cooking and it's hot in the kitchen. I can't hug you right now. So I have to cook after I finish breakfast. He want me to hug him, but I'm cooking. I can't hug him while I'm cooking. It's hot in the kitchen, so he's pissed. He's not having it. He's not having it. He wants mama hugs. But you have to understand that it's hot in the kitchen and I can't hug him while I'm doing that. When he says he wants me to hug him, he wants me to lift him up and carry him around in my hand like a baby. Anyway, you guys, so breakfast is on its way, and then I'm going to jump in and make dinner and then tidy up this entire house and be well on my way. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay blessed, stay encouraged, stay smiling. I'll catch you guys in a bit. And it's a beautiful day outside too. I'll show you how sunny it is looking outside. I'm sure I'm gonna sit out there and have my breakfast this morning. Zoom in. That's the beauty of outside. It's looking really nice and sunny. I just want to go and sit in that sun right now, and I think I might just do that. I am almost finished with dinner. Let's see in here. I'm making quinoa in this small pot, so that's quinoa cooking right there. Over here I have shrimp and oyster sauce. There we go. So that's finished. And in here I have some broccoli and corn, and that's that. So that's what dinner is gonna be tonight. Oh, I'm well on my way. Now I'm going to give Tyler a quick bath and put him down for a nap so I can get some work done around here. Come on, let's go back. Up, up, up. Who is that? That's Taylor. That's Mama Baby. Hi guys.
I'm going to nap.
I am going to nap. Don't do that. I'm going to nap.
I'm going to nap.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Kiwi, and I'm good to go. So here we go. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for lunch today. By the time you guys watching this, it would have been a Friday or whichever time of the day that you're catching up. Tell me what you're having for lunch. You guys, I am all ready with my shine face. No foundation, nothing. Just did my eyebrows. I ain't got time for makeup today. Just packed my lunch. Yeah, not lunch. Just packed my dinner. So this is dinner for me. And I'm heading out. Baby's home to be with Tyler, so I will catch you guys when I get back. Come give Mama this one, I'm leaving. I miss you.
I miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Miss me. Later.
Bye.
Bye, Tyler.
Bye.
I miss you.
Miss you.
I love you. Be a good boy.
Good
Bye, honey. Later.
Be safe. Hi guys. So I'm home alone with Tyler, playing with him. He's doing some puzzle. Well, this one is not made, but he's doing puzzle and doing and not doing it. With Tyler. And we. So it's time to eat now. Yeah, I hope you're having all a wonderful Tuesday. The weather getting so nice. Now look at that, it's after 7 and it feels like 4 p.m. So the time changement, it's always harder in this time because you have the feeling that you sleep 1 hour less, but the afternoon is just better. We can enjoy, we don't have the feeling to come from work and it's dark already and you do nothing else. So yeah, yeah, I hope you all having a wonderful week, all having a wonderful Tuesday. I'm gonna feed Tyler now and I'll see you after. Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Montre à papa ce que tu manges, c'est quoi?
Pata.
Des pâtes, pasta?
Pata.
Et c'est quoi à côté? C'est quoi ça?
Poisson.
Non, c'est pas du poisson. Jambon.
Jambon.
Ham.
Ham.
Hey guys, I am back home. I've been back home and of course in my favorite place. Back home and back in the kitchen. I am actually going to make some breakfast for Tyler right now for him to carry with him early in the morning because Jenny's keeping him for me. Jenny's taking care of him for me tomorrow morning until I get back from work because I work very early tomorrow. So I'm going to make him some breakfast, some plantains of course. That way he'll have breakfast with him when he goes to Jen's tomorrow. He can't do without his plantain and bacon. If he don't see his plantain and bacon on the morning when I go to work early, he's not having it, okay? Oh God, you're wicked! Listen, if you start him up in a chain.
Oh no, you need to video it.
Hear him calling, hear him calling you. Let me squeeze you up. She gone. He said she gone. Come, tell Faves night night. See Faves.
Night.
So we see you tomorrow. I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed. What?
And what else?
Get your baby back.
And what else?
Bye-bye.
You got it, boy. High five. Yes, ma'am.
Ice cream.
No, it's not ice cream. Ice cream in the fridge.
Ice cream.
You're too rough, man. I wouldn't mind if you don't get a sister and get a brother. The way you're rough.
Brother.
You want a brother or you want a sister?
Brother.
You want a brother? Ty. Ty. Don't do my neck like that. You're wicked.
You're big.
Why are you so wicked? You're wicked. You guys, my crazy boys off to bed. If my son not crazy, me mad. I mean, no, me not mad.
Not crazy, just so much energy.
And
so
what
much
if he was a
energy.
kid that eat a lot of sweet and chocolate? What would I do? Especially when he sees Jen and when he's with Jen, his energy move from 0 to 100 real quick, and now it got right back down to 0 and he's in bed as if nothing happened. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today, for a while I'm going to give you the name of some Jamaican food.
Okay.
The Jamaican word for today is going to be box food. If you hear a Jamaican say to another Jamaican, yo, go down the road, go buy me a box food, they're simply asking somebody to go to a little cook shop, a little restaurant, we call them cook shop, to buy them lunch or breakfast, but it come in a little foam box, so we call it box food. No matter what's in the box, it called box food.
Okay.
Box food.
Box food.
Right.
Okay. Box
Whether
food.
lunch, breakfast or dinner is in the box, is box food.
Okay. Box
Yes.
food. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
So that's
okay.
Jamaican word for today.
I get it. I
Alright,
get it.
what's the French expression for today?
The French expression for today is avoir du chien.
You have a dog?
Yeah, like to have some dog.
Okay.
Avoir du chien is for woman. We say that a woman a du chien, like she has some dog whenever she's pretty and have some sex appeal. We say that she have some dog. Understand? It's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why is not we have some cat?
Not funny. She have some dog, like she have.
Because dog is related
Yeah, but
to
it's
man
not-
and cat is related to woman.
Yeah, but it's like she can feel.
I get your point though. I'm
Get
just
it?
messing with you.
You get it?
Yes.
Do you have some dog?
Do I?
Ah.
No, I have cat and I have no dog. Slacker. I'm so slack. Anyways, how it goes?
Avoir du chien.
Avoir du chien.
Nice.
Hey. Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure to get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys, if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe. You won't regret watching us from Mondays to Fridays and sometimes Saturdays or even Sundays. Click the notification bell, that way you won't miss a vlog throughout whenever we post. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with the fam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.